All right, guys, it is time. There's two things we can do. One would be to take these enemies and finalize the drawing of those. Come on, hurry up. You know, take those enemies and finalize the drawing. AKA, instead of having white or like 3 colors, we now have, well, like we fill it in, right? Essentially finalize it. The other one would be to keep working on the skill tree here. Wait, I lost the count. So 3 out of 12 for game dev spec. Yeah. What about finally fixing the menus? That's surely part of the first 5 minutes, right? Which menus are you talking about? Like, I've been working on menus a lot. I want to finalize the damage now. How much damage and how many hits these guys take and how fast they move. God, I have a feeling that this tree right here needs to have its cost adjusted. Or these enemies need to either be stronger, because I can place 2 archers and then the first wave is basically too easy. You see that? How easy the first wave becomes if I place 2 archers? And I can essentially already place a tree. Let's just play, right? What happens if we place a tree? Because I think it's actually, the tree is actually broken. Let's just play the game. Yeah, the tree stump is definitely... let me see here. C3. Sprite offset. We don't do that. I'm not sure. I've seen what the tree does. The tree is supposed to generate this. So we are not supposed to get any money aside from the tree. I think. I still have to balance this. Good morning, Cakez. Good morning, Pikachu. How's it going, man? Now I need to work on actually the first couple of levels. So we are working on the tree stump now. And so we need to have the seed tree. That's what we need to find. Oh, I hate that. Seed underscore tree. Wait, is it really? Oh, wow. I did 3 E's. I see. That is stupid. Whoops. Sure. Willst du mal probieren? Ist nur schwarzer Kaffee. Ist ein bisschen heiß, aber genau. Schmeckt gar nicht mal scheiße, ne? Nur Wasser und Kaffee. Yep. Yeah, my wife quickly needs boots. She can't like put on boots. Okay, so we need a... okay, we need to go into a sprite for that. Where's the tree? Where is the tree? Eh? Guys, I had the animated tree somewhere. Where did I put that? Am I blind? Do you guys see an animated tree somewhere? In this atlas? Am I blind? It is animated and therefore it should be in here somewhere. The country? Yeah, the tree. Huh? Where the fuck is the tree? Ah! I found it. There we go, there we go. So the tree is 48 by 48 actually. That's why it is so big. I see. That's the issue. It is too big. Actually. I remember now. It needs to be 32 by 32. First time having that issue. I mean, fine, we'll try. Go from the middle. How far do we go down? 10? Let's try 10. Pivot offset is 0 and 10. Or is it minus 10? I think it's minus 10. Are you going to be making this mobile game as well? We'll see. It always depends on how successful the game will be. If it's very successful on computer, then I will try to do a mobile port, yes. If not, then no. And thank you, Halunk. I appreciate it, bro. Alright, let's see. How does it look if we add that in? Should move up a little bit, but maybe it's not enough. Actually looks good. Okay, now let's see what it looks like when we drag the tree. I think this is good. Okay. Now we probably need to fix the tree's ability, the Accio seed, because I think it doesn't work. He's not using it. Yeah. So we now have to fix that. Let's begin with this. I don't know why he's not using it, but we'll figure it out. Ah, my man, thank you very much for subscribing, bro, on YouTube. Okay, let's see here. Update hero. What is the ability? Why are you not using it? There's got to be a reason for that. For Coda times, yeah, this is when I was using for Coda, yeah. Farmer who doesn't want to farm. Thank you so much for following, lol. And Chitsy, thank you very much for following too. I didn't hear that. I appreciate it, bro. Draw ability. Draw abilities? Draw? What? Where the fuck am I? Tschüss. Huh? Wait a minute. Ah, I see. I put the selection here because I'm now doing UI in the hero. I remember. I see. So we're like, okay, oh god. I need to extract this out really quickly. Wait a minute. This needs to be a function. Wait a minute. Hello, Mr. Collector of Stuff. Also, Tralamaza. Good morning. Hello there. Thank you very much for following. Okay, wait. Draw HP bar. Get ability options. Update hero. There we go. Static. Void. Display. Upgrade. I hate upgrades. Alright, display upgrades. And I don't think I need anything special for that, right? We need the menu animation time and the hero. Okay, so we need an entity pointer. Hero. Anything else? And I suppose the rect collider. Okay. Anything else that's missing? Menu animation time and sub-menu animation time. Okay. Draw equipment upgrades. Draw abilities. Wait. Update. Hero. Why are these outside? Ah, okay. This. needs to be in here. The reason why I'm doing this as a function now is because wait, let me think. If we don't have a selected hero, we set those to 0 and return. Wait. Draw equipment choices. And then over here, the if check. Like that. We display the upgrades using the hero and the rect collider. Very nice. Okay, so now that's a lot cleaner. I don't want to have all of this code in there. Hello Push, my man, good morning. I think he's fixing the tree item at the moment. Yeah, what feature are you working on? I'm currently fixing this tree. His ability is called the, what is it called? The seed. Is supposed to generate those points here. Is not working. Static locals, bold move. Let's see if it pays out. Of course it pays out. It's been paying out for a long time. It's perfect. Instead of having a bunch of weird timer on my game state and polluting the game state with variables that I don't need to read anywhere else, I have the local timers, which work very, very, very well. Because I only have one thing that is accessing it. Okay, so now that we have draw hero, reset stats, over here we can also look at the abilities. Maybe this never happens here though. Maybe we never get into this. Okay, I have to restart because it like obviously doesn't show the correct line. Good old skirting tree. Thank you very much for following, Juka. And I already said that earlier. Appreciate it, bro. Okay, let's see. Let me double check here. We have the tree. Put it here so you guys can see. And then put that. So, give me a second. I can move myself there and maybe make it a bit smaller. Like that. Like this. Appreciate it, brother. Okay, let's see. So, what is happening? I think the timer never goes to 0. Yeah. So I wonder what the timer always is. Huh? Wait, it didn't build. Lol? Ah, I see. So we need to supply delta time. Okay. Is there anything else that I'm missing? There seems to be one more red. Ah, I see. Okay, delta time. There we go. Cool. Cakez, why are you using a paper cup every time? Don't you care about the environment? That's not a paper cup. This is a plastic cup. I keep using that every day. I just rinse it and then put more coffee in it. A new coffee in it. It's not paper cup. It is a plastic cup that my wife's friend gave it to me. It's the same one, yes. It's cool. I like it. It looks like a single-use cup. It's not. It's actually, listen. Huh? You hear that? Shit. Yeah, anyways. It's not. No, wrong one. Huh? Ah! I see. Now it's starting to go here. Okay, see, let's see. Timer 0, okay. Ability target. He does have abilities, right? One ability. Okay, cool. Can the ability be activated? This is, I guess, the question that is always... is never happening. But maybe it is, actually. Let's see. Maybe it is. It works. Okay, so the ability can actually be activated. It is not a trap. It is not a harmful ability. It is a buff. Okay. It is not a heal. It is a buff. Ah, I see. And now it's looking for a hero to heal. And then what are the... Skip full HP, skip yourself. Skip yourself. I see. Skip yourself, true, false. I see. For buffs. I understand now. It is trying to find the target for the ability, but it can't find the target. So I suppose I need a different type of... Maybe it's just a trap. That menu looks nice, bro. Who has day off today? Pause, champ. Just a normal day in America. You Americans are a specimen, yeah. Okay, we need to fix this. I want the seed to spawn in an area around the tree. Target type. Target type self. Skill shot area, point and click. Ability type. Heal, buff, harmful. Trap. I mean, toggle. I mean, it could be an area ability, right? And then we have a new type of ability. How do you know how big America is? Huge. Let me think here. The ability type is going to be an area, and then it will not look for a hero, but it will just target itself, and then... Oh man, this is so annoying. It depends. I get it now. I know what to do. It's a buff. It's kind of... Oh man. Hello, what's going on? Oh, just Cakez being a Giga Clown. Ah, fuck you. Just wait. I think we can do this. If... No! Whoops. This one is true or false based on if you target ourselves or not. So, ability. Target type. Is the same as target type self? Question mark. Then, do we want to... Is it skip yourself or target yourself? Oh my god. True. False. Skip yourself. Okay. Do we skip ourselves? No. And then true. Like this. Alright. Let's see if this works. That formatting? Ah, shut up. Who cares? It doesn't matter, bro. You know what's more annoying than this? Scrolling in Visual Studio Code. The scrolling in Visual Studio Code just lags. It's insane. It doesn't target anything. Still. Why not? It's so odd. Now it finds this itself. Okay. It works. I don't like this system too much. It's not really extendable. And they also despawn too fast. So in Plants vs. Zombies, right, you do not generate any of these coins unless you have a sunflower up on the field, right? Cakez, I noticed you got a clean shirt on today. What's the occasion? It's just warm in Germany. That's why I have a t-shirt, not a sweater. I mean, fine. I would love to change this though. Because if I can't find the target the first time, it's not doing it again, which is weird. Summer is coming, yep. So if I swap this around, right? I wonder what happens. If I swap this around, it won't find a target, and therefore it won't go into this. And then we have an issue. Because I think the game's broken then. It can't find a target. Then it will... It doesn't find one. It's looking for an enemy to attack. There's no enemy. Okay. If it's not equal, okay, then first target. We don't have a first target. Let him cook. True, false, tannery. Oh, I see. I mean, I could just do an if check there. I see. Yeah. Transition animation. Hero attack time. Okay, so we just went through this, right? I don't know why, like, oh my god, Visual Studio Code is really pissing me off today. Like, okay, can you stay in Update Hero, please? And can you jump to Update Hero, please? Like, Update Hero, thank you. And I don't know why Visual Studio Code is trying to piss me off today, but it's really starting to trigger me. It's like it's boiling a little bit inside, you know? But we're still good. Now the next time we get into this Update Hero thing, does this weapon timer happen again? Let's see. It does. Okay. Then we go through the abilities again. We have one and the ability can still be activated. Good. So then why... If I change it back... Okay, so wait. I want to skip myself if I'm not targeting myself, right? Then I want to skip myself. So if we are... Wait, is it... It's called skip yourself. We skip ourselves if we are... Wait, when do we skip? When we are not targeting ourselves. There we go. I can imagine Cakez raging at the sliding puzzles in Pokemon as a child and even now. Okay, what do you mean by sliding puzzles? You mean the ones where like your character rotates around and then moves in one direction without you being able to do anything? Good. This is really starting to piss me off. Okay, it still works. Now, we need to improve this ability, of course. So, first and foremost, I have to test what happens if I only let this tree be the one that generates seeds. Because if we don't get seeds by killing units, then we have to place a tree every time. If we make it so that killing units gives us seeds, like this, 1 seed, then we can increase the price of this one higher, so that we cannot place it with our basic starting seeds or gold, right? That's the idea. These are the two options. I tried having no seed generation before on killing units, but it felt really bad. That's why I switched to seed generation when killing units. But I think in order to make it balanced, I have to increase this number to at least 30. So my starting gold, and also maybe I have to reduce the starting gold, so that I cannot place the highest units without investing into meta progression or on their skill tree. Like for example, I can have, and I think the ranger has 1 skill point here. So for example, potentially, right, he's almost level up again. If we have another node, let's make another node really quickly. Like right here, okay, in the very middle, that is connected to the tree. Actually, that kind of sucks. Now I notice. I see. So it's not really in the middle, isn't it? That would be in the middle perfectly. Now that kind of stinks. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter. Whatever. Right. So let's say this, right? And then we add a stat, and that is cost reduction. Let's see here. Ability costs, gold generation, fork, debuff. Where is that? Damage over time, debuff, life, spawn rate, coins on hit, true damage. What the fuck? Cost. There we go. Cost. And then I think it's minus like 20%. Deploy cost. Oh, it's 18. Right, deploy cost minus 18%. We save. My man, good morning, Mr. Almeida. I didn't read the latest message, but I tried out. I tried out Restream's chat. It's meh. Like the options are not that great, but I am using a different one now, and so far it seems to be okay. And it's also like I think it's very easy to read. You know, I can put the chat anywhere and it's easy to read. But yeah, unfortunately, if we have these big messages from collector stuff, they basically take up the entire thing. If you don't think Cakez treats his viewers like NPCs, then look at Abeth. Abeth coded Cakez bot. I don't think he comes in chat anymore, because when he does, Cakez is like, bro, gotta fix this and that. He doesn't even pay him, let alone thank him for his work. Oh, you fucking idiot. Oh, okay, you have absolutely no idea. I offered him money multiple times, you fucking stupid idiot. And he always said no. He doesn't want money. And I thank him on a daily basis almost, right? So shut the fuck up. You don't know what you're talking about, you dumbo. Dumbass. And he can't come in the week because he's working during the week. He can only come during weekends. Okay? So yeah. Shut the fuck up. I didn't offer him 50 cents. You're wrong. You're totally wrong. Okay, so let's play this. Not play this. Yeah, see how it went down? You see that on the right here? 12 to 9. See this? Boom. So, now, if we decrease our starting gold from 25 to 15... From 20, maybe down to 20. And then those later units, they just cost more. Because they are stronger. Then I think killing and generating seeds is fine. Let's try this. Where's the starting code? I think it's called init level. We clear everything. There we go. Level state seeds. Let's begin to do meta progression. Is this really C++? Yes, this is C++. So how much to replace that timer equals 00F comparison for a near 0 instead? No, because I'm setting the timer to 0 by myself. There's a reason why I compare it to 00. It needs to be that exactly. Oh, my man. Mr. Amida, thank you so much for... Man, you're so fucking kind. I appreciate the support, man. Thank you so much for gifting us up to Azres. My man, I appreciate it. Hi times 3. Good morning. Hi to you too, since Cakez is probably ignoring you, Ninx. Shut the fuck up. Fuck you. I'm not reading those toxic messages, okay? Fuck you. Okay, cool. Wait a minute. Now it's still out of place. Huh? Did I not save this? This is correct now. Difficult to say. Holy shit. Now this is completely off. Hey, that's odd. Maybe this? Move this one up. Lol, this is not even connected. Lol. JK. I have a feeling I need to move the skill tree down, the entire thing. But it's fine because it is easy to do that. I think I want to have it like this. I think that looks awesome. This looks really nice. I like the design of this. Looks like a beetle right now. Boom. Not sure why those are green. Where is that? Let's mark this. We need that. The meta progression, very important. Slash display skill tree. Then we have an origin here, which, excuse me, I'm sorry. What is that? Position. Interesting. That one was crazy. You can take that burp and fade it out to make a skeleton death sound. Goodness. Wait a minute. The skill tree origin. Let's do 46. And then over here we move it down by like 10 pixels. Let's see. I feel like it needs to move down. Yeah, almost. I like it. I think I like it. Yeah, I think I do. What is the logic? Logic on the brown connection line shadows. Some are up, others are down. Yeah, that's because... yeah, that's because... yeah, I know. Maybe you can also shift it a bit to the right. Yeah, there will be more here. There needs to be 2 more abilities. The issue with this layout is the 0 out of 5 covering the line. Yeah, I know. I just don't know where to put the 0 out of 5. Maybe it's a bit too big. We could try making it 1 smaller. Let's see. It's difficult to find. Can you put it on the icon itself and reduce its opacity? How many lines in game CPP? I think like 20,000. Essentially, I just need to search for %D. There. We could do... We could try this. It's a bit smaller now. What do you think? I think it's better. Why not? Let's do it like this. Yeah, I think that's better. That's okay. We do it like this. Okay. Now, save. Next would be, I guess, just playing the game. Let's try to place this guy here and see how well he fares against the enemies. Let's see. Let's just try to play. You should have the tree auto center. The tree, unless you have a reason for all that blank space. Yes, there is more going to, guys. There's going to be more. Are you planning on making this framework reusable for other games as well? Yes. Oh wow, he's doing a lot of damage. Alright, let's see. First wave might be a bit too easy, but we'll see, right? Now we have to ramp up the difficulty to a point where it gets too difficult without upgrades, right? I can already place another unit, so I guess I'll place one here. I think it doesn't spawn fast enough. That's what it feels like. So maybe 20 is enough, but the time step should be twice as fast. Let's try this again. Also, 10 seconds is a bit annoying. Let's do 5. Really annoying too. There we go. This is already better. This feels a lot better. Wait a minute. We need to restart. Rename it to entire game CPP. No, it's fine, man. It's fine. All Tangy defenders, please. All weapons before... Clean all weapons before use. The code can't be used in another game because you're never finishing this one. Ah, shut the fuck up. You just wait. So far it's easy. He's killing all of the units and we can add in an archer. Let's put him there. And we also got this, which gives us money. And so we definitely need an animation for that. And global time scaling for FF. Fast forward we have. It's on the bottom. You can't see. I already have. The reason why I'm not doing that right now is because I'm testing. Okay. Here. You see that? There's fast forward there. I mean, I can disable that and then you can almost see it, but yeah. It is behind me, bro. Are you planning on making this framework? Oh, I see. I already read that. Okay, so now spawn wave 2. If this was spawn wave 1, very easy. Why Microsoft Edge, man? Why? Because it allows me to split the screen in two. I can have 2 tabs side by side built into the browser. That's why. Okay, the next one. I want to spawn crawler. At 5 with a time step of 5. And I want to spawn 15 of those. And then I start at 20 in with a time step of 8. I want to spawn 10 skeletons. And now Handle them. I see. Wait. Handle damage infliction. If the enemy is that. Sprite effect armor fall off. Init enemy of type skeleton. Okay. If the enemy is a skeleton, I want to... I don't have any effect right now, but I keep that. Then I want to create a crawler. Let's see how that looks. I'm now spawning a crawler whenever a skeleton dies. So round 2 is actually quite difficult. I'm confused. Why do you have the merge chat when you read the chat separately anyways? It's for you guys, not for me. I don't have a merge chat because I can't set it up. I don't. Maybe I can, but so far I have not seen. Maybe there is a way to see both chats together. I'll see. I'll try. I'll test. All right. Lol, why is he so slow? Huh? Wait. Lol? What? Oh, 2U? What is that? Supposed to be 20 or 15. I mean, they're not supposed to be that slow. Is this your first game? Yeah, this is my first game. Okay, we have to restart, unfortunately. Oh shit. I mean, that works too. He's not able to kill them all, I think. Maybe he is. He might be. But he's already quite weak. Oh wow. He's really struggling now. Okay. Cool. Next. Next wave is gonna be much more difficult. Alright, let's see. Oh wow, the skeleton is really powerful. And it spawns... You see that? It spawns one of those. Awesome. But we have 24, so we can spawn one of these guys. Crawlers? Yeah, they turn into crawlers. That was the idea. That's why I couldn't do this before I had implemented the crawlers. Your first game? Really? Yeah, this is my first game. I've not done... I mean, I've made some small games before, but this is my first actual game that I'm trying to sell. I'm hoping to sell. Okay, I mean, this is where I actually have to do something now and think already. I mean, we could place another hero here. And then we should be good, I think. Yeah, we should be good. Alright, this was already quite difficult. Okay, and 30 points. So we are getting enough points even without these trees. Now, if I add a tree now, I think we're going to explode in... We're going to explode in seeds. Oh, yeah, I didn't fix round 3. So yeah, let's see. How do we do round 3? What do we add there? Round 3. I don't want to spawn wizards. I want to spawn 20 skeletons. Very fast. I wonder if that's a bit too much. Maybe after 10 seconds. I want to spawn 20 really fast. Then maybe I want to spawn a bunch of crawlers. Right at the beginning. To display both chats in the VOD, yeah, it's both chats in the VOD, yeah, mostly. Spectrum TV, thank you very much for following, man. Watching your stream kinda makes me want to blow the dust off my C++ books. Sure, bro. I mean, do it. Why not? Try it out. Give it a try. But I think the best... You will have the most fun if you actually program something that you want to program, right? Like an application or maybe a game. So we spawn 20 crawlers, 20 skeletons. We don't spawn a rocky boss yet. But this is going to be the first boss. He starts at 50 seconds in. And we spawn 1. Alright. This is round 3. Alright, I think I'm gonna start with this guy. Oh, and he also has stuff on a skill tree, but we don't have anything here yet. So, yeah. And this guy also has points. Let's give him explosive arrow and maybe deploy cost for now. This is too OP, by the way. This has to be somewhere else. So I think I'm gonna do the following. I'm switching this to life. And I'm switching this to coin. And then I'm changing this stat from cost to life. And instead of minus, we get 20% life. Just making this guy healthier against enemies. Wait, smart detection? What is that? And then over here, he's going to get... I think it's just cost, right? Cost. Maybe even cooldowns. But let's do cost now. Cost and then minus 20%. Save. So there's an incentive to go here. And then over here we could have maybe energy, right? What can we do with energy? Coins on hit, spawn rate, life, debuff duration. What game library do you use to make that? It's my own engine. It's based on this. If you're interested in that. Attack speed. Attack speed would be at the bottom. John Carmack called Rust a wholesome language. I think it's what is needed to put a toxic streamer like you straight again. Ah, okay, bro. He didn't call it wholesome. You're wrong. Coins on hit. Energy. Energy regeneration, energy gain, energy on hit. And maximum energy. So what I want to do is, I guess we just add flat amounts of energy, like 5. And then over here, the big node is gonna have energy on hit. I wonder if it's like 20%. Not 19, 20. Save. And then maybe here, yes, we can go for attack speed. But I think I just wanna... What do we have? Physical damage. Damage. This is generic damage. Attack speed. Attack radius. Bleed chance, bleed damage, physical damage, armor, armor pierce, cooldowns, cost, ability cost. I mean, we can go for attack speed for now, but I don't want this, actually. I don't want this. Ability speed? Ability speed could be good. Cast speed. And then over here we can go for more ability speed. Basically, ability speed makes it so that these abilities cast faster. And then over here we could go for 2 stats. We could go for attack speed. 10%. And we could go for... maybe attack radius, 10%. Attack speed, attack radius. Alright. There we go. Now we have some stuff to like to do here. Yeah. All right. Where do we put stuff? I guess I'll put 1 point here, or maybe we'll put 1 point here and no, actually I'm gonna put a point here and put a point here. Okay. Good. I haven't even spawned a ranger yet. Lol. Well, you are really good at C++. I am, thank you. I appreciate it, bro. Hey, Code Monkey, thank you very much for following. I appreciate it, bro. Are you the Code Monkey from YouTube? The Unity one? Guys, my arms are gone. Oh no! My arms have gone away. Oh no! Okay, let's place this guy. It's gotta be here. How's the unit targeting the enemy? Well, they search for enemies in their vicinity and then they target the one based on a priority. Right now this guy has air, which I have to remove. He is targeting the first at the moment. He's supposed to target the first, and this one is targeting the weakest. Okay, so first round done. We have 14 seeds. We could potentially spawn another one of these. Or wait on explosive arrow. Cakez, you're great at C++. Thanks, Cakez. So are you. Okay, which one do we place? This one doesn't do anything yet. So, yeah, we need to get more abilities on this guy to balance this. We only have him at the moment. I mean, I do have some abilities. Right? What's the algorithm called? The one used to find the enemy, and then what's the one deciding upon priority? Algorithm? What are you talking about? What is this guy talking about? It's funny that Cakez is under the impression that we hear the music. Wait, you don't hear the music? Is it too quiet? Is this better? Cakez, your archer is bugged. No, he's just shoot. Oh god. I wasn't paying attention. Lol? Where are you shooting at? Eh? Huh? What the fuck just happened? Huh? Two-header code? I wonder what happened there. What happened? I think it's because of the skill you got. But I haven't used it yet. Maybe it's because I clicked on this. Seems to work. Might have happened when you changed the priority. Ah! Lol? Yes, he keeps shooting. When it's first. Thank you. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, we found a bug. Okay, let's see. Why is that? Looking for enemy to attack. And we need to change this guy from first to something else. So we have I mean, last is not better. Let's change him to air. That worked. Wait, he doesn't attack right now. He doesn't attack right now. Shouldn't he be attacking? Are you still attacking? Yes, you are. I wonder where he's shooting at. He's definitely not hitting the first, that's for sure. When did you start developing this game? About 2.5 years ago. And hello, Yuva. Good morning, bro. How's it going, bro? Welcome, sir. I guess this is not called. Look for enemy to attack. Is this not called? Okay, we're gonna make one of those hits here. Guys, is the music good like this? Is it too loud? You are so amazing that working on something broke, something unrelated. No, it was always broke, bro. And stop making fun of it, okay? Shut the fuck up. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe a little louder, 15% louder. No, it's too quiet. It is too quiet for you guys. It is actually too quiet. Really? This should be it. Yeah, we're not touching it anymore then. Could be the track as well. Maybe. Maybe. I think this is good enough. Go back to Green Day, Dominated Love Slave, banger tune. It's gonna play again. It's in the playlist. Did he just skip my song? I would never. Okay, we have to try it again. Fuck, I placed it in the wrong location. Okay, let's try. Seems to work. Damage, infliction. Are these monsters changing their decision direction by collision with corners? No, they are changing their direction based on where they walk in X coordinate. Looks like he has the target of the first hero. He's targeting the dead skeleton. So this is what happens. This guy dies. He gets initialized, but I suppose he doesn't have an ID anymore or something. If we are initializing an enemy of type, it gets a new ID. Is it? It doesn't get a new ID. This one right here. This function. Oh man. Please. Thank you very much for following, man. Kartoshka. Good morning, sir. Yeah, this gives an ID. And whenever I initialize a unit again, I overwrite that ID to 0. And I'm still targeting the old ID, which had a position. And so I'm like targeting a dead ghost, I think. Which is weird, because it shouldn't exist anymore. But I'm also not giving it a new ID. I'm targeting 0. I need to take a piss really quickly. Yeah, that's what's happening, essentially. I'm gonna create a copy here, so that we can always go back. Be right back really quickly. So whenever this guy dies, my dude is gonna target that one. Yeah, he's targeting a dead enemy now. Yeah. Oh no, we have a fucking fly in here, dude. Okay, so I think I need to check. Now obviously there's a bug. This is a bug, right? I need to spawn an enemy. Not in it an enemy. Here. I wonder if this works. I want to spawn a crawler. I wonder if this returns me an entity. It does. This one is initializing one. I wonder. Spawn an entity. It adds a new entity. Gives it a new ID at a position. Let me double check here. If it has it adds the component dev, so it kills it. We spawn, and the position is easy. We have the position here, the position origin, and then we just need to entity crawler is this, and then crawler reached waypoint is the reached waypoint. And then we don't init, right? We just spawn. Give me 1 second, my wife's calling, something's on. Give me 1 second, okay? Guys, these songs are not awesome. What you're listening to is not awesome. This is boring. You're listening to boring songs. I get my satisfaction. It's not relaxing at all. How can you guys make progress with this? It doesn't make any sense. Let's try this. If this works. Unable to remove file. Permission denied. Oh. Hopefully that works. It's a classic. Don't have enough to skip. Didn't you song request that yourself, bro? He wasn't set to weak at the bottom though. No, he's targeting first. I wonder what happens now. I think it's fixed now, actually. What was happening is he was referencing an ID that doesn't exist anymore, and now it should be fixed. Yeah, it's fixed. Cool. Now, I also need to change that here. The position would be the target. Position origin. And the reached waypoint would be the target reached waypoint. There we go. And on the effect we'll have to see. Right. And now we can do that here too. Instead of spawning a crawler, we spawn a skeleton. Hey, look how easy this became! Huh? I just love coding, man. Yes! Okay, now we fix that. Now let's actually work on balance again. Now that this is fixed. Before they didn't target the crawlers near the exit. Yeah, the crawlers near the exit had an ID of 0. That's why. And that doesn't exist. Now first should work. And also, I want to remove a target priority. I don't want air anymore. Ranged is fine. And then in game CPP we have an error here. Error. Target prior. The ranger should target the first, in my opinion. And then what is down here? Target priority type. Target prior air. Doesn't exist anymore. I'm not gonna have air in the game, guys. Air just won't. I'm just getting rid of it right now. There's no point in having the distinction between that. I think it's too much work. Because it's literally the same as weak. Alright, good. YouTube chat is slow, lol, like a good 2 to 3 minutes, just FYI. Yeah, the YouTube chat is slow because like how many people are watching? 12 people are watching. They're just people mostly watch, they don't type as much. There's a few people who, you know, who come back regularly, like Inukai and Verminology, who type a lot, you know. But for the most part, like it takes time to have like an active chat on any platform. You know, to build a community on any platform. It just takes time, right? That's just how it is. But it's gonna grow over time. Okay, cool. How will they breathe without air? What are you talking about, bro? I mean, units in the air. I'm also programming, yeah, Dude, can you fucking kill them? Dude, you're bad. Oh, wait. They didn't... Okay, let's try this again. I hate this song. Don't care. I don't like it. I'm skipping it. It is not my type of song. Fuck you. Alright. Let's see how far they come this time. We get another one here now. What do I have in a skill tree, by the way? Nothing. 3 skill points. How about we get explosive arrow and then this and ice shot. Oh, we need money. We definitely need that. Okay, so first round is decently easy. We have just my basic units. He has maximum juice. Okay, now we should take it a bit slower. Do I get a tree? Let's get a tree. I think trees are OP. They need to be nerfed. Or the cooldown of this has to be increased. Because look how many, how many seeds I'm getting now. Yeah, let's change the seed. Spawn seed. Cooldown. I don't think I want to change it per level, but the base needs to be 45 at minimum. And we need to change that. It takes a lot of patience, since Cakez tends to read chat with a 30-minute delay on YouTube. To be fair, today he's actually doing a decent job keeping up with it. Man, I appreciate it. I noticed that he's responding a lot faster. Good job, Cakez. Thank you. I appreciate it, bro. Okay, we need a new unit. Otherwise, we are running out of... I need to place one. I don't have enough money for upgrades yet. Now I do. So, who do I give upgrades to? I'm gonna give upgrades to you. Alright, let's see how it looks. Oh no, I built again. Shit. Oh no. Cakez, why don't you include both chats into VS Code? You mean at the top right? So what made you decide to use a game engine? To not use a game engine? Not to use a game engine. Because I tried using one and it didn't work out. I tried to make a Diablo... No, I tried to make a Gothic game, a 3D game. Gothic 1 clone in Unity. And it didn't work. What I mean by that is... Oh wow. It's completely useless. He needs to be in a different position for that. I spent 3 months prototyping a project. Boom! Holy shit, have you seen that explosion? Boom! Goodness! Kaboom! That was satisfying, yeah. Kaboomzy! Goodness, this guy's insane. Oh, he missed. Because he targeted the first and it died. Okay, this is the first boss. Supercharged? Yeah, it's one of his abilities. He gets this one, maybe the ice shot. And then maybe wind slash. This guy, that's the first boss. He's taking a lot more. You can take a lot more. But it's still easy, I guess. He's not that resilient. Okay, and so the idea is that these guys will drop items, right? Right now they only drop gold because I have no items that are not unlocked. But that's the idea. Okay, I think... How long did I play now? How long did I play this? This is not 5 minutes yet, but it's getting close to 5 minutes, right? And so what I have to do now is keep replaying the first few rounds, make it difficult enough, yet not too difficult, for the players to understand how the game works. And then add in, right now we have everything unlocked, right? We need to add in progression. So maybe we start with just the melee unit, with just this unit, right? We can only place this one. We place him. We change his skill tree. And we move on from there, right? That's the idea. Okay, cool. I think we've made good progress. First level 5 minutes, shouldn't it be more like 2 to 3? No, the first level will be big. Maybe the intro level, maybe I will design an intro level. We'll see. Or maybe this will be the intro level. I don't know yet. But yeah. Unity sucks, no offense.
Huh? Oh, I see. I see. Thank you very much for following, man. I appreciate it very much, bro. One last thing. I'll show you what the issue is. So, whenever I only have one unit and I click on nothing, and I click on the unit again, the menu opens immediately. It's supposed to animate. It's supposed to do this. It's supposed to animate like... Oh, it's already choosing. Huh. Okay, it doesn't do that at all. Which is odd. Anyways, the idea is that it animates. But for that... Okay, we're just gonna do this. We always display the upgrades. Then we go into the upgrade hero, update hero. So this if check is now outside. Is this bad? Yeah, kinda. But it's fine. This is bad because the statics are inside of this function. If I put the statics here, then it's not, then I don't need to do this here. But it's fine, it will work. Yeah, so I want this animation. See that? And when I when I click on something for the first time, I want it to animate up. When I just change target, I don't want it to animate again. That's what I wanted to achieve.